Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZB Gear. We are taking a look at our medical corner here. What do I mean by our medical corner? Well, we have actually quite a few different products targeted at the medical market. But the only thing that we have here today at NAB is going to be our BG-NUTRIX. This is a really awesome healthcare focused PTZ camera that has a couple cool features. Number one, obviously, it kind of looks a little bit like the Adamo. That's because we use the Adamo as a lot of inspiration, and a lot of the good stuff from the Adamo we said, well, that's still applicable to a health market. Why don't we take that as a base and build up from there? But you might notice there's a little bit of some extra chunk down here. Well, that's because this is a removable speaker unit. So if you have a patient and you need to talk to them, well, if you have this installed, you can have two-way communications. They can hear you and you can hear them. On top of that, the NUTRIX here comes with inbuilt microphones on it, so you're not going to have any problems with them being able to communicate with you. This thing has night vision capabilities, pretty awesome, and on top of that, it has a really robust software suite in order to make the healthcare world just a little bit more simpler. You can do a ton of things on this camera. We are only scratching the surface, but suffice it to say that this is a very interesting camera. If you're interested in more, we have a couple videos on it. The one that's actually playing here has everything that you need to know about the NUTRIX itself. We have that on our YouTube channel. But until next time, we hope you guys tune in again, and we will see you next time.